uses the microphone.
Use the microphone. What do you understand?
I understand English.
Yes, A2, police, what do you understand?
I understand English.
We don't speak English. This is Lwo. Yes. That is okay. The reason why we are canceling this bail is that they have amended the charges, charging with a capital offense, which carries a death sentence. My work is only to remind you practically. But what you can do, now that you are represented by an able-bodied lawyer here, is going to make a formal application to the High Court ICD, National Crimes Division, for your bail, reinstated. You understand? Yes, Counsel.
Your Honor, inquiries in this matter are still ongoing. We are praying for an adjournment.
This case is adjourned to the 8th of October 2024 at 9 o'clock. A1 and A2 are to be kept on remand until that date.
Your Worship, before you take leave,
Yes,
I was requesting for a copy of the charge sheet that we can get today.
Yes? Pardon? Your case? You cannot, you lawyers will apply for bail affirmation. Your charges have been abrogated. That was under 4, now this is under 3A and 5A, which carries the death sentence.
Your Worship, you gave us which dates? 8th?
8th of October.
And a copy of the charge sheet.
Your Honor, it is too early to disclose the charge sheet to my learned friend. It is too early because we shall have to disclose at once.
No, I am
In
not
any
getting
case-
the charge sheet for purposes of...
In any, I still have the floor. Your Honor, the charge sheet will be disclosed. The charge sheet and any other document that we shall be relying on.
In light of the section that you have read. Mr. Lukiri Nasser, you're also called Don Nasser. You're a male adult, you're 38 years, you're Nyakole by tribe, you're a businessman, reside in Ichito, in Oxford District. I take promise, you're a female adult, you are 19 years, you're Nyakole by tribe, your person Satuna Ewoyo na Musinguzi, you reside in Bulindo, that division, the Kampala District. The charge is, there are 2 counts. The first count is aggravated trafficking in children, under Section 3A and Section 5A of the Prevention of Trafficking in Persons Act. The particulars of the offense are that you, Lukiri Nasser, also known as Don Nasser, and A2 are taken promise between the 23rd of May 2024 and the 27th of May 2024 between Acacia Avenue, Tagore Apartments, Mawanda Road in Kapa District and Chito Zone, Kira Municipality, Wakso District, by means of fraud or of the abuse of power or proportional vulnerability, be recruited or received or transported or harbored that person, send them the name. Have you seen the name? You have a that person, a girl aged 16 years, purposes of sexual exploitation. Have you understood count one? Have you understood count one? The second count is defilement, code section 1291 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 120. It's alleged that you, Nukuhire Nasser, also known as John Nasser, between the 23rd of May 2024 and the 7th of May 2024, between Tagore Apartments, Mawanda Road, Kapa District, and Chito Zone, Kira Municipality, Wakso District, you performed a sexual act with that same girl, a girl below the age of 18 years. Have you understood the charges? Have you understood the charges? Count one of robbery in children, called the social 3A and 5A, carries the maximum sentence of death upon conviction. It therefore means that this court has no jurisdiction how you put the charge. It's solely told by the High Court. You have understood? Yes, State.
Your Worship, we pray for cancellation of the bail that was earlier on granted to A2, now that this court has no jurisdiction to try the offense. Persons, and Your Worship, this matter being an aggravated trafficking in children case, we pray for the protection of the prevention of trafficking in persons. Sorry, it is now section 10 of the Prevention of Trafficking in Persons Act. And sections 11 and section 10 and 11 of the Prevention of Trafficking in Persons Act of 2009. And Your Worship, we're also relying on Rule 25.2, Rule 25.2, privacy and confidentiality of the victim. Your Worship, the protection we are seeking is not reading out the victim's name in open court. We shall avail the charge sheet to the defense defense team, so that they can inform their clients. Secondly, Your Worship, in case of any media houses, the name of the victim should not in any way, whether by print or electronic media, be disclosed.
Media will protecting the victim, we are not disclosing the name.
Okay, sir.
Council, there are two persons charged.
We are cognizant of the
That's
fact
why I
that-
say.
Yes, Your Worship, maybe just a brief. This offense was committed in the month of May, before the revised edition came into force. The revised edition came into force on the 1st of July, and we cannot enforce it retrospective. So we are relying on the sections that were in existence at the time the offense
Yeah,
was
okay, not
committed.
even my old that would I want to be sure. You have not amended. Anyone? Is there two more students? Major. How do I just say? What do you do? Is the tornado?
Kola ne muwe Mandi Company Advocates. Olwaleero baleese client wange Nasser Nduhukire mu kooti nga bagamba nti ya trafficking oba mu Luganda ku traffickinga omwana bakuyita okukusa omwana n'amugya mu woteeri n'amutwala awaka. Simanyi mu mateeka oba trafficking okukusa ekyo gyekiri. Ekirala ne bamugamba nti omwana oyo yamukozesa naye ebintu ebyo nze ndowooza si bituufu kubanga client wange tabikolangako takukusangako mwana oyo era tamweyambisanga so bamututte ku remand mukomera ndowooza ngenda kumulaba tulabe engeri gye tukikwasaganyamu labe ng'avaayo ali innocent emisango tagizanga ekyo.
Ekooti babatutte mu high court.
Yes. Batutte mu high court kati omusango nga guno eno kooti terina buyinza kubeera nti esobola okuguhandolinga so batutte mu high court era ensonga ezisinga zonna tugenda zikolera mu high court.
Counsel.